Hello everyone, most welcome to SP Global Guru channel. Today I am explaining ratio and proportion part 3rd. Part 1 and part 2 we have already discussed. Let us see the question. Here the first question is what? Two numbers are in the ratio of 3:5. If 9 is subtracted from each, the ratio becomes 12:23. So find the greater number. So for this type of question, what is the simple technique? So simple technique is what? When this is given in the ratio. So first number will be what? That is 3x. Other number will be what? That is 5x. Now if 9 is subtracted from each. So 9 is subtracted from this number and this number. Then the ratio become what? That is 12/23. Now we can solve this question directly, cross multiply. So you will get what? 23 into 3, 3 3 are 9, 69x. And then minus 9 3 are 27, 9 2 are 18 to 20. And this equal to 12 5 are 60x minus 108. So we will get 69x minus 60x equal to what? Minus 108 plus 207. So this is 9x and this is what? 7 minus 8. So 17 minus 8 is 9. And this is 9. So 9 minus 0 is what? 9. So this 9 is cancelled out. So we will get what? X equal to 11. Now we have to find what? Greater number. So greater number is what? This is the 5 ratio. So greater number will be 5x. So our correct answer is 5 into 11, that is 55. So the 55 is our correct answer. Now see the question number 2. The question 2 is what? Find the fourth proportional to 4, 16 and 17. So for this type of question, what is the simple technique? So we have to find fourth proportional. From the 4 given, 16 given, 17 given. And we have to find 4. So suppose fourth proportional is what? X. So simple technique is what? 4 upon 16 equal to what? 17 upon 4th, that is x. So this is 4 4 ja 16. So here we will get what? 17 4 ja 68. So our correct answer is what? 68. So here 68 not given. So our correct answer is what? None of these. Now see the question number 3rd. Third question is also very important question. Question is what? Find the compound ratio of 2:7, 5:3 and 4:7. So what is the technique for finding compound ratio? The simple technique is what? For compound ratio, just multiply the each ratio. What ratio is given? Multiply. So here required answer will be what? 2:7. Means what? 2 upon 7. Multiply. Second is what? 5:3. So multiply 5 upon 3. Again 4:7. So multiply 4 by 7. So what we will get? 2 5s are 10, 10 4s are 40. And then 7 3s are 21, 21 into 7 is what? 147. So our answer is 40:147. So B is our correct answer. Now see question number 4. The question 4 is also very important question. 30% of A equal to 20% of B. Then find the value of A ratio. So for this type of question, simple technique is what? You can find answer by only watching this question. 30% of A, 20% of B. So percent will cancel out, 0 0 cancel out. A upon B is what? 2 by 3, so 2:3. So solving this question, 30% of A. So 30% of A is equal to given 20% of B. So this percent cancel out and this 0 cancel out. So we will get what? A upon B equal to what? 2 upon 3. So we can write A ratio B equal to what? 2 ratio 3. So our correct answer is what? 2 ratio 3, that is D option is our right answer. Now question number 5. The 5 question is what? If P square plus 4Q square equal to 4PQ, then find P ratio Q. So for this type of question, what is the simple technique say? So this is P square plus 4Q square minus 4Q equal to what? 0. Now we can write this P square plus this is what? 2Q whole square minus 2 into P into 2Q equal to 0. So this is P square, this is 4Q square and minus 4Q. Now we can write for this, you know the formula, A minus B whole square is what? A square P square minus 2. So we can write here P minus 2Q whole square. So this is P minus 2Q whole square is what? 0. So P minus 2Q 0. So P equal to what? 2Q. So we need what? P ratio Q. So P upon Q equal to 2/1. So we can write 2 ratio 1. So our right answer is what? C, that is 2 ratio 1 is correct.